What's up, guys? Back with another 2-minute Tuesday. There you go. And we're going to show you another thing for the C5 Corvette.
Yep, so you've purchased this new C5 Corvette with these really nice headlights. This is the last car ever to be sold with pop-up headlights. And so you might be wondering, how do you actually make them pop up? So we're going to show you how to do that and one more cool trick.
Yep, so first step is to hop in the whip. Oh, never mind. Step 2, turn the whip on. Oh yeah, V8 rumble.
And then, as you see here,
Yeah.
Transferring.
Alright, so now that you're in the car, you'll notice right here, there is a stalk that says off, on, and then this button. So if you turn it to just this, it'll turn on the lights inside the car, which is like hard to tell right now because it's bright outside. But then when you flip it one more, watch this. But then when you flip it to the last one, you get this.
Now we're on the outside of the car. I'm gonna go on the other side because the sun is very bright. But as you can see, those square things, those are headlights. Ready? 3, 2, 1, pop up. There you go. And then 3, 2, 1, pop down. And just like that, you can blink with your car.
So one more trick you can do is if you want to have the interior lights on but the headlights off, you can do that. So, and also with the headlights popped up. So once you pop them up like that, so you can see they're up. Right now the headlights are on, and so you can like flash people in front of you and all that stuff. But if you turn it back down, then they'll stay up, as you can see, but the headlights are currently not on.
Back at the front of the car. Turn on, off, on, and off. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you turn on the pop-up headlights on your C5 Corvette. Hopefully you learned another trick in 2-Minute Tuesday, and we'll see ya
In the next one.